I wake to a different sound each time the sun breaks over our lefatshe, our land. The great beasts of our wilderness rumble and call in the distance, staking claim to the day. Colors painted by the sun brighten the horizon over my village. The smell of wild sage and burning mopane campfires mix to create the scent of this land. It is unique and has its own special place in this arena.
Approach, a very good day again, Alpha 2 X-ray, India go. Alpha 2 X-ray, India go, good day, guys.
We are surrounded by a wide expanse of running plains and far-reaching horizons, a place where nature's heart beats fiercely and the excitement to be included never fades. The elders of my village knew the day would come when visitors from foreign lands would arrive, that the wild surrounding us must be cherished and must be shared, that each person should be able to experience this awe and wonder. Many times I heard my chief describing this wilderness as our future. As a child, it was my adventure. From the moment I saw an aircraft in the sky, I knew I needed to see our wild lefatshe from above. Finally, the time came to gaze down at my world from above, a perspective that offered me the awe and wonder that I always knew it held. From up there, you can truly see the spectacle that she is, a vastness that cannot be described but only experienced. This is my Africa, in all of her splendor. The Africa of great tales, where desert and delta live together side by side. This is a place where you can feel so small, yet so invigorated, surrounded by the greatest roaming creatures our planet has to offer. A place where no 2 days are the same, and you can be the only person for miles, surrounded by beauty, by nature, by true uninterrupted wilderness. In that moment, true adventure is yours. There is magic here. It is our gift, and it is too precious not to share. My name is Tabiso. I am an ambassador for Lekhaya lami, my home, Botswana. Come to my land. You will leave always wanting to return.